Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best pastel birthday decorations is probably one of the most enchanting ways to transform any celebration into a dreamy, whimsical wonderland, setting a soft and joyful atmosphere that delights guests of all ages and makes the birthday star feel truly special. Imagine a cascade of gentle hues, from baby blues and soft pinks to mint greens and creamy yellows, all coming together to create a visually stunning backdrop that's perfect for capturing those precious birthday memories and adding a touch of magic to every moment of the party. These decorations offer a sophisticated yet playful aesthetic, moving away from the overly bright and bold, and instead embracing a more subtle and elegant charm that makes any birthday feel like a fairy tale come true. Number 5. PartyWoo Pastel Crepe Paper Streamers. Introducing our stunning pastel crepe paper streamers, perfect for adding a pop of color to any celebration. This set includes 6 beautiful rolls in a variety of soft hues. Crafted with upgraded material, these streamers are 29% thicker than standard ones, offering superior texture and durability. They are carefully rolled for easy handling and decorating. Transform your space with these versatile crepe paper rolls. Hang them from the ceiling, twist them into spirals, or create a stunning backdrop for your event. Ideal for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, and more, these streamers also lend themselves beautifully to arts and DIY crafts. They effortlessly complement any existing party decor. We pride ourselves on the high quality of our crepe paper streamers. Handle them gently to ensure they remain perfect for creating beautiful, lasting memories at your next event. What we like. These pastel streamers are made from a thicker, upgraded material, offering better texture and sturdiness. They are incredibly easy to use, allowing you to simply hang them, twist them, or use them for backdrops. If you're looking for a versatile decoration that can create a vibrant and immersive party atmosphere with minimal effort, these are a fantastic choice for birthdays, weddings, or baby showers. What people say. The pastel colors are very soft and pretty, creating a lovely atmosphere. The banner is a good size and the letters are clear and easy to read. The balloons were easy to inflate and held their air well throughout the party. Number 4. iShyan Assorted Rainbow Tissue Paper Poms. Add a splash of color and fun to your next event with these beautiful paper pom-poms. They are perfect for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, and any festive occasion. These decorations are designed for convenience. They come flat-packed with simple instructions, making it easy to fluff them out and hang them up in minutes. Crafted from environmentally friendly pure wood pulp, these pom-poms offer excellent quality. Please keep them away from fire and note that slight color variations may occur. Unleash your creativity and design a memorable backdrop for your guests. These gorgeous decorations will make your party photos truly special. This set includes a delightful assortment of rainbow colors like ivory, pink, light blue, lavender, light peach, and mint green. You'll have plenty to create a beautiful display. Whether it's a birthday bash, a wedding reception, or a baby shower, these versatile decorations fit any theme. They bring a festive atmosphere to any celebration. What we like. These tissue paper pom-poms come in a variety of sizes and are made from eco-friendly materials. They are designed for easy assembly, allowing you to quickly fluff them out and hang them. If you want to add a soft, whimsical, and colorful touch to your party decor, especially for baby showers, weddings, or birthdays, these are perfect for creating beautiful backdrops or accents. What people say. The pastel colors are very soft and pretty, creating a lovely atmosphere. The banner was easy to assemble and looked great hanging up. The balloons were good quality and held air well throughout the party. Number 3. House of Party Rainbow Balloon Arch Kit. Get ready to elevate your celebration with our vibrant 135-piece balloon kit. It's perfect for creating stunning balloon arches, backdrops, and more for any rainbow-themed event. Crafted from high-quality latex, these colorful balloons are built to last, ensuring they stay inflated throughout your event. They are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, just avoid direct sunlight. Easily inflate them with either helium or air to craft the perfect balloon garland. These balloons are non-toxic and safe for use around children. These colorful balloons are ideal for a wide range of celebrations, including birthdays, baby showers, and themed parties. Mix and match them to create a unique and festive atmosphere. As an American company, we are dedicated to providing high-quality party products designed to last. Purchase with confidence, knowing you're getting the best for your party needs. What we like. This kit provides a large quantity of durable latex balloons, perfect for creating impressive balloon arches and garlands. They are helium-supported and reliable for both indoor and outdoor use. If you're aiming for a big, impactful decoration for a rainbow-themed party, a cocomelon birthday, or even a baby shower, this kit will help you make a vibrant statement. What people say. The pastel colors are very soft and pretty, creating a lovely atmosphere for a birthday party. The banner was easy to hang and looked great as a backdrop for photos. The balloons were good quality and held air well throughout the event. Number 2. Felice Arts Boys Birthday Blue Balloons Arch Garland Kit. Elevate your celebrations with our versatile balloon kit. It's perfect for creating beautiful arches and garlands that will impress your guests. This comprehensive package includes 92 balloons in various sizes and shades of blue, along with all the tools you need for easy assembly. You'll also find glue dots and a balloon chain. Crafted from high-quality natural latex, these balloons can be filled with either air or helium. Please note that actual colors may vary slightly from the picture. These balloons are ideal for a variety of occasions, including boys' birthdays, weddings, and baby showers. They are especially suited for ocean or navy-themed parties. Setting up your decorations is a breeze with the included balloon strip. We recommend using an electric air pump for quick and efficient inflation. For a full, impactful display like the one pictured, consider using 2 sets of balloons. This will help you achieve a truly spectacular effect. What we like. This balloon arch kit features a beautiful combination of macaron and metallic blue balloons in various sizes, offering a sophisticated look. It comes with a complete balloon strip for easy and quick installation. If you're planning a boy's birthday, a wedding, or an ocean-themed party and want a cohesive, elegant blue color scheme, this kit is ideal for creating stunning arches and garlands. What people say. The pastel colors are soft and pleasing to the eye, creating a beautiful and dreamy atmosphere for a birthday party. The decorations are made of high-quality materials that are durable and reusable, making them a great value for money. The set includes a variety of items such as balloons, banners, and cake toppers, providing a comprehensive decoration solution for any birthday celebration. Number 1. Pastel Birthday Banner and Dot Garland Set. Get your party ready in no time. Our decorations come pre-strung and ready to hang, saving you precious time. These decorations are perfect for any birthday celebration, for anyone. Hang them from trees, ceilings, or walls to create a festive atmosphere. This comprehensive package includes a pre-strung, happy birthday, banner and 2 beautiful dot garlands. Both the banner and garlands are made from high-quality, eco-friendly paper, ensuring a beautiful and sustainable celebration. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any concerns, please reach out to us for prompt and helpful assistance. What we like. This decoration set features a pre-strung, happy birthday, banner and a dot garland, saving you valuable decorating time. Both are crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly paper. If you're looking for a quick, charming, and environmentally conscious way to decorate for a girl's or toddler's birthday party, this set is perfect for adding a festive touch to walls, dessert tables, or backdrops. What people say. The pastel colors are very soft and pretty, creating a lovely atmosphere. The banner was easy to assemble and looked great hanging up. The balloons were good quality and held air well throughout the party. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.